I wake up where I've been before. Same room, same thoughts, same door. Every mirror looks at me like it's asking something I won't say. I wait for words I never find, leave them hanging in my mind. I'm not lost, I'm just still standing where I always will. I'm not sad, I just know how it feels to be alone. I walk the days I can't recall. Nothing rises, nothing falls. Every memory stays the same, fades a little, keeps its shape. I wait for signs I never see, let them pass quietly. I'm not lost, I'm just still holding on to nothing real. I'm not sad, I just know how it feels to let it go. Maybe this is all I get, no regret, no reason left. Just a thought I can't outrun, just a day that's almost done. I'm not lost, I'm just here, living somewhere in between. I'm not sad, I just stay, watching moments drift away.